Stop recording button.
Hi guys, Lenin here with a surprise for all of you guys.
Pause button. Pause.
Welcome everyone to my brand new kitchen. This will be the new headquarters of Lenin's Kitchen starting after January 25th. Yeah, the dishwasher's a little touchy-feely.
Pause button. Pause.
Let me give you a grand tour. This is where my dining area is going to be. This is where the dining room is going to be. This is the dining room right here with its own window and various plugs on the ground. Your light on the top here. As well as, well, you have a little bit of space here with various plugs.
Pause button. Pause.
And now, let me give you a tour of the kitchen.
Pause button. Pause.
So, we have the light here. This is the light.
Pause button. Pause.
Then right here is two cabinets, okay? I can't open them because I can't reach them, but this is it. And guys, this beauty right here is something that I am very thrilled with. This right here is my new refrigerator. This is a side-by-side refrigerator and freezer. You have, of course, your freezer here with everything, all the shelves. Okay, you have shelves, and you have a shelf down here for all your stuff, as well as shelves on the side of the door. Then we have the fridge. The fridge is also the side of the fridge here. You have 4 shelves. Then you have one drawer for deli stuff and one drawer for veggies. And then you have the stuff here on the door. All the door shelves here. All the way ranging from top to bottom, and of course your butter storage here.
Pause button. Pause.
All right, then moving on over here to the cooking area. We have cabinetry here, of course, for, well, either spices or whatever. Then you have cabinetry over here as well, above the microwave. This place came with its own built-in microwave, which is nice, and a brand new stove. With an oven.
Pause button. Pause.
Then we have, come over here to the right side, we have another cabinet. Then down here we have countertops, of course. Then we have one drawer on the left, one drawer on the right, one cabinet here next to the stove on the right, and one cabinet here next to the stove on the left.
Pause button. Pause.
Then I have a little closeted pantry with 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves, and then I have some space on the floor as well as its door here. Then we move on to the left side. I have one cabinet here, one cabinet door here above the sink, and a decent sized cabinet here. As well as we have, or no, we don't have the drawers here, but I do have a cabinet here. This is underneath the sink, and we have another one over here. And We have one drawer and cabinet here next to the dishwasher here, and that noise that you just heard is this guy. A working dishwasher.
Pause button. Pause.
So yeah, guys, that is a tour of Lenin's kitchen. Coming soon. Well, actually, it's a brand new kitchen, but that's a tour of my brand new face.